My friend got ghosted by a Rave hair Etsy shop, and I was like, oh, no, 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 no. She needed them this weekend for Thunderdome, so I was like, girl, I'm gonna just make some for you. Hold up. I've actually never made the pre-made extensions. I've always just braided them into my hair, but I'm pretty good at figuring out how to do things with pictures. This is the outfit that she wanted the extensions for. I sadly did not have any purple extensions on hand, but I think the pink will still look really cute with it. Extensions are from Lunautics, of course. I don't even know why I said it anymore. You guys already know. First things first, we gotta attach the extensions to the hair tie. I did this by splitting the extensions into smaller chunks and then attaching them with elastics like so. Then you're gonna put on a clean sock and then attach your hair tie to your foot. I know this looks questionable, but trust me, it is the best way to do it. It is very stable and easy to braid off of. And then from there, you're free to add whatever braids you'd like. I tried making heart braids for the first time and they turned out so cute. Like, how adorable do these look? I think this would be so cute if you're going to like a Valentine's Day event. The other ones I just filled with some normal braids and bubble braids. Ended up changing some of the parts that I didn't like the next day, but this was the final product. Oh, she turned out so cute. See you guys at Thunderdome. Bye.